Have a look at this question. In an examination, it is required to get 296 of the total maximum aggregate marks to pass. And then a student is getting 259. So how much is needed? 296. And the student is getting 259. How much student is not getting? The student is not getting 37 marks, isn't it? And the problem tells you what? The difference between the marks obtained by the student and the required passing mark is 5%. So the difference out here from this number to this number is 5% of the total marks. 5% of the total marks is nothing but 370, isn't it? It's a pretty simple game. Now 5% of total is what? 5 upon 100. 5 upon 100 of total marks is 37. So how much is total mark? Total mark would be 37 into, over here if you look at it, this is 1 by 20, so 20 will be here. 37 into 2 is 74, followed by a 0. So what is the total mark over here in this problem? It is 740, isn't it?